almost in all the electronic circuits and equipments, we are using the cartridge fuse. Okay, so this is the cartridge fuse, in which on both the side there are two metal contacts for the external connection, and there is a glass body. Inside that we are having quartz powder and a fuse wire. Okay, so whenever the high current flows through it, the fuse wire melts, and as the fuse wire melts, the fumes will be produced. In order to quench that fumes or arc, we are using the quartz powder. Okay, so in this way the cartridge fuse works. So these are some more types of fuses which are called as HRC fuses. HRC fuses, why we are calling it as HRC fuse? Because these can rupture the current up to 1250 amps. These can rupture the current up to 1250 amps. So these are called as high rupturing capacity fuse. HRC fuse means high rupturing capacity fuse, which can rupture the current up to 1250 amps. These can be used for higher applications. So these are, in this, the main fuse wire is made up of silver and silver alloy, and hence this is used in the medical electronic field for the protection of costliest equipments. Okay, so this is what the HRC fuse, cartridge fuse and revariable fuse construction. So what are the advantages of fuses? So the fuses are having high speed of operation, as we are calling it as high speed of operation, because immediately when the fault occurs, the fuse wire melts and protect, or we can say disconnect the supply and load side immediately within few seconds. So hence we call it as high speed of operation. Next, the maintenance cost is also zero, because certain times what happens is, in the revariable fuse, the wire has to be replaced with new wire, but the maintenance cost we cannot say is much high. Okay, so again these can capable of clearing the very low as well as high fault currents. And because we can use different types of fuses, like revariable fuse can clear the faults up to 100 amps, and whereas the high rupturing capacity fuses can carry, or they can clear the faults up to 1250 amps. Okay, so this is again the advantage of fuse. One more thing is they provide the reliable operation, which is also the plus point which has to be considered while using this fuse as a protective device. So again we can say there are some disadvantages for this. So as I have said you, certain times when we are using the fuses, the arc will be produced. Arc means kind of fire. That fire will cause the nearby devices or connected devices in that area, they may get heated. So if the heat increases, again the current increases, and it may lead to some other disasters. Okay, so hence we are restricting the application of fuses only for the lower voltage applications. Okay, so again one more thing, the biggest disadvantage of this fuse we can say is it has to be replaced after every operation. Like once the fault is cleared, again the fuse, if the fuse is clearing the fault, the whole fuse in it has to be replaced with the new fuse in it. So that is the disadvantage of this fuse. So in order to overcome this, we have one more protective device, which is MCB, whose full form is miniature circuit breaker. You can see this arrangement in all the modern home electrical wiring systems. Okay, so miniature circuit breaker is nothing but a molded case circuit which is having features which are nearly similar to HRC fuse and a good switch. Okay, so these are having the switching properties also. That is nothing but under normal operating condition, these are operating as a switch on condition, and whenever the fault occurs, these operate as a when the normal conditions are there, these are operating as a switch off condition. When the fault occurs, that time this will be in the on condition. Okay, so circuit breakers will be on under overloading, overcurrent or short circuit kind of faults. Next we have the construction or the material which are used for forming this MCB. So all the metal parts are made up of what? Non-ferrous and non-resistant